Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about the last week trade and the one that I posted on my Telegram because I got the request asking that if I can show my trades before I take them instead of showing after the trade already happened. So I said, well, I do post someplace, and that place is only for my subscriber though. But let me show you that I do place, these entries. Not all of them, but most of them. So let's go take a look. The last week, for example, right? Last week, this is my Telegram, and last week it started from the 21st, and then 21st to 25th, right? So let's take a look. Some of those that I said that, okay, this is what is happening. For example, EA making short, and this one I posted on the 25th at 6:16 a.m. Now the time difference between the broker and this Telegram is 7 hours. So this 6:16 a.m. means 13:16 a.m. on the 25th, and it's EA. So let's go take a look at that EA and 16 no, no, 13, 16 on the 25th. So this is 25th, 4, 14, 15, 16. This is what it is. No, probably this one. Nope. Yeah, 13 something, right? So this was the entry that I posted over there, right? Well, actually, let me see it on the 25th. Yeah, okay, this is the one. This is the one. And what happened from here? You see, it went down 36 pip. Now, the idea and the trade setup, my trade setup is like when you have the couple of red candles here for short, we open the trade right here and we place the SL right there, which is always 25 pip. Now, the idea is that when the price move more than 20, 25 pip in our favor, we come and sit on a break even. So here it went down to 36 pip in profit. So we were sitting on a break even. And then what happened is that it hit the SL at break even. So no loss, no gain, right? So now this is the one. Then let's go on the second one. You see about to make a short, and it is also at 5:28 a.m. on the 25th. So you see is this. So you see 5 and 7, 12. So this is right there, right? So this was the entry and it went up and 25 pip loss here, right? Okay, let's go. This was like Friday, and that's what happened on Friday, by the way. So let's go. Now, next is the gold might be making a long setup soon. Now, gold was making a long setup, and let me show you if I can go to the gold chart. And the setup was there, but the market closed. So I opened the trade, this one, this is the setup, and I opened the trade and it is still open. Okay, and the SL is right there. That is on my other computer. The the trade is open, right? So this is what on the 25th. Now here you go down here again, EA making a short, and this is on the 24th, and time is 5. It's a 12:10 on 24th, EA. So let's go there, EA on the 24th. This is 24 and 12 something, and that was the entry, right? So this entry gave me 70 pip, 75 pip trade, and the trade is posted on my website, right? On the previous video, the trade is there. So that's 75 pip right there. Now, another one was GJ making a short, and that was, whoops, on that was 5 means 12 on 24. So 12 a.m. on 24, 12, 24, and right here, right? So now this one, look at that. This entry was there, and then trade went 40 pip in my favor, sitting on a break even when it took me out. So no loss, no gain in GJ. And GA making a short on the 24th, and it's almost like 4 o'clock, so 4 and 7. 11 o'clock. GA is right there on the 24th, right? So, okay, 24 and 10 o'clock. Also, it is right there, right? So it's coming down here, almost 20 pip. My SL is moved down from 25 to 15 pip, and then I lost 15 pip here, right? That's how it is. Now, so in one place I lost 25, this is 15, right? So it's like 40 pip. Keep in mind. Now, before that, on where it is. What was that? Okay. Was EU about to make a long? And when? It is on 23rd, and 4:43 means 11:43. So here at 11:43 on 23rd is right there, 11:45, right? This is the setup, and it went up 70 pip trade, nice and clean. And even before that, I had this one here from here to here for 50 pip as well, which I didn't post. I posted on the, I told my subscriber in the webinar, actually. So anyway, so that's, we're just going to what I have on here. Oil is making a long, and that's with the long trade in oil as well. US oil by order right there. Oil is on the other computer, so I can't show it here. So now, UJ making a short and GU making a long, and it's on 23rd. So let's say, let's go take a look at the UJ first on 23rd. What was the time, man? 1 and 8, almost 9 o'clock. So on 9 o'clock, UJ on 23rd. So 9 o'clock, UJ on 23rd, UJ 23rd, right there, right? So you can see the entry right there, and how much? 130 pip trade from there to there. And the next GJ long, the same time, right? GJ long, and it's 9 o'clock, GJ, 9 o'clock, around 9 o'clock, and here, 9:50, and right there is my entry, 10 o'clock, 11:23, right? So exactly this one, the one I tweeted, and it is for 140 pip, in straight line. So only these two trades is like 200, almost 300 pip, 275, 80 pip, right? All right, so this is what it is. And before that, GU making a long, that was basically the same thing, the trade that I just showed you. And on before that was on the 21st. You see all of these, these like harmonic patterns. It's just a 40-minute chart showing the direction of different things. Now, GA making a long setup, and EA no entry. And GA on the 21st, GA making a long setup at 8 o'clock. GA making a long setup on 21st and 8 o'clock. GA making a long setup, 21st, not 8 and 7, sorry, at the 1400 hour, which is right there, 11:21, 1400 hour, boom, right? Not much, but 70, 80, 50. Okay? So these are the trades that I posted on the Telegram, and almost like more than 300 pips. Only these trades. And I have some other trades which I have not posted on the Telegram, but they're like that. They're like, but see this, the alarm, I have the alarm, right? And I give it to my subscribers. Everybody has the alarms. Everybody see the same thing. I just post on the Telegram whenever I have a chance, right? But I teach and I give the alarm so that they can see the same thing I'm looking at, and I'm taking the same trade. Okay, so this is how it is. So I'm not. I was asked that if I can post when I take the entry. Here I'm showing you that even before I take the entry, I'm posting that this pair is about to make a long or short, and then I am taking the entries. So all of these are posted, most of them, 80% of them are posted on the Telegram, and they are like either my losses were what? One was for 25 pip, one was for 15 pip, and a couple of them on break even. So hardly 50 pip loss, but more than 300 pip profit, right? So this is how the Telegram works. So I do post, but it's on the Telegram only because I cannot post on different places at the same time. Right? It takes a lot of time, and especially when I'm in the trade, we have to manage the trade as well. We have to focus, concentrate on the trade, not posting here, there, and typing and talking and chatting. No, if you do that, you're gonna lose. Simple as that. Okay, so just wanted to show that yeah, I do post my trades ahead of time on my Telegram, but my Telegram is only for my subscribers. All right, so this is what I just wanted to show. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful new trading week.